This 2019 Forest River Georgetown 3 Series 30X3 is a Class A RV. It is located in Medford, Oregon, 97504 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV Medford. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features outdoor entertainment. This 2019 Forest River Georgetown 3 Series 30X3 is built on a Ford F53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.